out there? My name is Milesy, and welcome to a video that I have been meaning to film for months. At the beginning of the year, I started doing these reviews with Amazon floss, and I was buying up a whole bunch of different brands of floss, and I have another one. This is Kato embroidery floss, 50 colors. It comes with some bobbins. Where's the lens? There it is. And let's take a look at this. And it has this really nice bag that it came in. Very heavy duty, reusable bag. Their info card. And then I believe it's, oh, that's 25 bobbins. So they give you 50 strands of, or 50 skeins of floss, but what looked like 25 bobbins. But hey, bobbins is bobbins. And we have the floss. And I'm going to go ahead and take it out of here. And let's go ahead and pull it out. And we have 50 colors. And they do look like they're all different. And it's very soft because it's exactly the same as every other type of floss I've bought on Amazon. I've done this 4 times. I think this is only the first or second video you've seen of this. I think it's the second. I don't know. I've bought so much of this floss, and it's all exactly the same. So I'm not even going to do a proper review of this because you've already seen it. But one thing I have noticed is that even though the floss itself is all identical, it's all a cotton poly blend, it's super soft, it works super well. It is, as far as I know, all of it is DMC matched or very close to DMC matched, but this one here doesn't have anything on the labels. Some of them will have writing on the labels, some of them will have their own numbers, some of them will have DMC's numbers. But it's good floss. It's cheap. I paid $8 for 50 skeins of floss and 25 bobbins, which I don't think you can pay $8 at any store for DMC floss for this. I don't recommend it for like big full coverage pieces just because it doesn't have numbers on it and you might not get exactly perfect eye lots, but if you're doing small projects, sprites, samplers, anything that the colors don't need to be exact, this is great floss. Any of the cheap Amazon flosses that you can get on Amazon. They'll have it in small packs, they'll have some that have the full range of $4.55, $4.45, whatever the number used to be before they got all the new colors. They're good. They are all very good. I've got so much of this floss hanging around now that I have no idea what I'm going to do anything with, but it's there. So, I do want to keep doing embroidery floss reviews. I'm just not going to do any more Amazon reviews. And I do have something coming up in the future that will let me do that a little bit better. I do have some J&P coats. I do have some Weeks Dye Works. I have some weird Egyptian cotton stuff that I got. I forgot what its name is, and I need to find some more of that. I have got some, just a bunch of really weird little brands. I've got some Iris, other things like that. So I'm going to start focusing on store brands rather than the cheap Amazon brands because there's no point to the Amazon brands at this point. But for now, yeah, Amazon floss. I can't say anything bad about it. This is a really short video, but I've been meaning to talk about these Amazon flosses for months, and I just got it all in the mail, and I was looking at all of it, and I just kind of realized it's all exactly the same, and I didn't want to do the same video 4 times, so that's why they kind of stopped. But yeah, I have posted at least 1. I might have posted 2. I can't remember. I know I made a thumbnail. That's all I remember. It's been so long. But I will link to any of that down in the comments if you want the full review. But the gist of it, it's color fast. It does fluff off a little bit if you're using a super starched fabric. If your fabric's not very starched though, or you're using an even weave, this floss is freaking great. I love it. It's super cheap. It feels like a cloud. The colors are nice and bright. They're not gonna bleed. I took some red and just washed the shit out of it with a really hot water, and it's fine. So there we go. So that's all I'm going to do on this one. This is really, I guess, more of an announcement video than anything. So I will be back with videos after this. Should be weekly. I'm filming a bunch today, so you're probably going to get a lot of the same information over the next few weeks. As I repeat myself, I'll try to figure out what order I'm uploading these in, though, when I edit them, and try to cut some of that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys later. Bye!